today I'm going to show you how I service my propane tankless water heater. I was pretty excited when I got this when I was building the house. I don't know why. I never had a tankless water heater. It runs off propane, about the size of a barbecue propane tank. Will last me a month, maybe two sometimes. It just depends on how many dirty dishes we have or how much the kid wants to shower, pretty much, because you know, if you got a teenage boy, that kind of ebbs and flows. So yeah, it's real easy. It's very important you do it though, because scale deposits build up inside and it won't be that efficient and it'll break it down and ruin it. I've heard that these things can last 20-25 years. This thing was pretty cheap for me, even though it looks like my kid calls it a giant iPhone, because when it's on, it's all touchscreen and pretty neat. But it was, I think I paid like $300 for it or something like that. It's really cool though. As long as you got propane, you got hot water, so you don't got to worry about losing hot water. So this is how I do it. When you live off grid, you have to use what is available to you. So what you want to do first is shut the water off to the water heater. Then this right here, shut the propane off. I unplugged the power. So this side is the inlet. And what I did was I took a shower hose thing and I hooked it up to an old pond pump I had. Cleaned it out real good because I don't want no nasty stuff in my water heater. And then this is just like one of those toilet hoses that hook up to the back of your toilet or your faucet, whatever. And then I have a tote. Then what you do is you take you can use 3 gallons of multi-purpose white vinegar, cleaning vinegar. It stinks, but it does the job. What you want to do is hook a hose up to the inlet that goes to the pump, which is submerged in the vinegar. Here's the outlet. I wish I had a longer one. It would be better if it was submerged in the vinegar, but like I said, living off grid, you do what you got to do. And then what you do is, once you got everything hooked up, make sure your pump's submerged. Takes a second and it kicks in. And then you just let that go I let it go for about an hour, and it cleans all the scale deposits out from inside the water heater. So that's how I service my tankless water heater, living off grid. Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in.